Welcome to our gardening channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 gardening hacks using our new sprinkler system. Modern technology can really transform how we care for our plants. Hack number 1 is all about smart scheduling. Programming your sprinkler to water your plants during the early morning or late evening can help reduce evaporation and ensure your plants stay hydrated. Hack 2 focuses on efficient watering zones. By dividing your garden into zones, you can tailor the watering to specific plants, ensuring everyone gets just what they need. Next up, Hack 3 introduces rain sensors. These marvels prevent overwatering if nature provides a drink, helping you conserve water and keep your garden healthy. Hack 4 recommends adding drip irrigation, perfect for targeting specific plants or rows. This method delivers water directly to the roots where it's needed most. And finally, Hack 5 is about automatic fertilizer application. By attaching a fertilizer injector, you can easily ensure your plants get the nutrients they need without the extra work. To recap, using a modern sprinkler system can change your gardening game. Implement these 5 hacks today for a thriving garden. Happy gardening!